this tutorial, I want to show you how to hide or not show formulas from formula bar with Kutools for Excel. Kutools for Excel's formulas hide utility can help you to hide formulas from formula bar with only several clicks. Select the cells whose formulas you want to hide from formula bar. Click the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click the Worksheet Design. And then click the Design tab and select Hide Formulas. Now a dialog box will pop out and tell you formulas in selected cells will be hidden from formula bar after worksheet being protected. Click the OK button to close the dialog and uh, click the Design tab and select the Protect Sheet from the Protect group. In the Protect Sheet dialog, type a password. I will type 123. Click OK. In the Confirm Password dialog box, re-enter your password 123. Click the OK button. After protecting current worksheet, all formulas in selected cells won't show in formula bar. As you can see here, these cells are not hidden, so the formula will be displayed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.